Today, we have the honor of hearing from our esteemed Dean as he will share some welcoming remarks that will set the tone of our event. Without further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to our Dean of College of Education, Dr. Roman R. Castro. A resounding applause, please. Thank you so much for that unique at bagong-bagong energizer. Now let's jump to the main part of our program. Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring and reminding us such valuable information. And for the next part of our program, may I call in the presence of the program head of PTVLED, a man who has consistently demonstrated his passion for empowering learners through skills development, as he will deliver a message for us today. Please join me in giving a big hand for Professor Marky Chungkung. Before we conclude, I encourage all of you to take all the knowledge you gained today and apply it in the classroom. Again, teaching is not just imparting a knowledge, but also inspiring and shaping the future of our learners. Again, this is Ms. Liza May Moreno Ramos, now signing off. Kudos and may God bless us all.